Tropical cyclones are compact, circular storms, generally some 320 km in diameter, whose winds swirl around a central region of low atmospheric pressure. Cyclones refer to their winds moving in a circle, whirling around their central clear eye. The winds are driven by this low pressure core and by the rotation of the earth, which deflects the path of the wind through a phenomenon known as Coriolis force. As a result, tropical cyclones rotate in a counterclockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in a clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. The primary energy source for those storms is warm ocean water. Those storms are therefore typically strongest when over or near the water, and they weaken quite rapidly over land. In the North Atlantic Ocean and North Pacific, they are called hurricane, and Western North Pacific around the Philippines, Japan and China, the storms are referred to as typhoon. In the Western South Pacific and Indian Ocean, they are variously referred to as severe tropical cyclone. At present, tropical cyclones are officially named by one of the 11 warning centers. Names are generally assigned in order from predetermined list. However, standards vary from basin to basin. While tropical cyclone must contain a significant amount of gale force winds before they are named in the southern hemisphere. The low pressure condition over northwestern India get transferred to the Bay of Bengal by early November. The shift is associated with the occurrence of the cyclonic depressions which originate over the Andaman Sea. From late September to early October-November, the temperature in Central Asia gradually decreases. The low pressure center forming during the summer weakens and weak high pressure replaces the low pressure. However, at this time, the southwest monsoon flow ceases completely. As a result, cold and dry northeast monsoon or land air and the warm and moist southwest monsoon or sea air collide to form a strong cyclone. Under the influence of this cyclone, heavy storm rainfall occurs in the eastern coast. Sometimes it is called Arsenic zone. Those tropical cyclones are often very destructive. The thickly populated deltas of the Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri are frequently struck by the cyclones, which cause great damage to life and property. Sometimes those cyclones arrive at the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Some recent destructive cyclones are